carpet frame is removable. When you are going to change the carpet or carpet frame place, you have to use the rings above. According to the project, there is going to be lift at the ceiling. So please use the rings to lift it up. And when you lift the carpet frame 2 centimeters, it's going to be released. So take it front and turn it back to change the carpet. And also, lighting fixture of the carpet frame is going to be plugged at the back side. The wiring made according to this. There is a plug at the back of carpet frame.